Hey, welcome back to another video of Crypto Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to link third-party accounts in KuCoin. First of all, open up your preferred web browser. Now, at the address bar, type in kucoin.com and click on Enter. Make sure that you are logged into your account. Now, at the top navigation bar, you will see your profile icon. Hover your mouse to it and find Account Security option. Click on it. Now scroll down to a little and you will see third-party accounts here. After that, click on Manage button here. Now you can link your Telegram, Google or an Apple account. If you want to link your Telegram account, click on this link here. And you will need to log in using your Telegram information here. If you want to link your Google account, click on this link and log in via your Gmail or Google account. Or if you want to link your Apple account, click on this link here and log in using your iCloud. After the login is completed here, your third-party account will be linked in KuCoin. So that is how you can link third-party accounts in KuCoin. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.